Ramadan Kareem to all Muslims around the world. This is one dessert you can make during this Ramadan season and enjoy with your friends, family, and loved ones. All my chocolate lovers, get in here. This is one decadent chocolate treat you can use to quench your chocolate cravings. Hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into preparing this molten chocolate lava cake. We start by using unsalted butter, eggs, chocolate, flour, and sugar. Now we pour in our chocolate and unsalted butter into a pan and we put it over a bean marine to melt. After melting it using this method, it just doesn't take a lot of time. After melting using this method, we set it aside. Next, we pour in our eggs into a bowl and add our sugar and give it a whisk. We shake things up. At this point, our chocolate comes in next and whisk it some more. After whisking this, we pour in our flour and gently fold it in until everything is well incorporated. At this point, our batter for the cake is ready. Let's set this aside and work on our ramekins. First, we oil up the ramekin. Yes, you can either use butter or oil. And after that, we dust it with some cocoa powder. We're going through all this stress because we don't want our cake to stick to the bottom of the ramekin when we flip it over, So this is one process you have to do. Do not forget that. So after dusting this cocoa powder around the ramekin, you just need to tap it on the table so that every extra layer of cocoa powder will go out and you fill your ramekin with the batter. And next we pop it into the oven. Now it's going to take about 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. That is the temperature to use. And our molten chocolate lava cake is ready. See how it came off easily after flipping it over because it was well oiled. And my God, this is how the lava comes out after cutting through the cake. So if you've watched to this point, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And try out this recipe. I promise you would love this. And until we meet next time for our next recipe. Bye.